Hey girls, hey boys. So if you are new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this super cute little deer makeup. This tutorial is going to be super easy. It's mostly just like doing your everyday makeup look and then adding some like little dots and a little nose. It was super easy to do. So if you want to learn how to get this little cute deer makeup look, sorry, I keep looking at my mirror. It just looks so cute. So cute, I love it. So anyways, if you want to learn how to get this deer makeup right here, keep on watching. But before we start this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the little notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First, going to start off with the eyes, as always. See a little movement. I got my nails done. So this eye look is going to be pretty neutral, pretty natural, pretty easy. So yeah, don't even worry about struggling with this makeup look. Honestly, it's like the easiest Halloween look I'm going to be doing, I think. So the palette we're going to be using is the Friendcation palette. I chose this one because it has a lot of neutral shades and that is the look we're going for. Neutral, very easy. So I'm taking my Morphe M441 blending brush and I am taking the shade Basic to use that as my transition shade. My Morphe M514 blending brush and I'm taking the shade Choodle, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Choodle and use that to deepen up the crease. Now to darken up the crease a little more, I'm gonna take the shade Cheens and use the same Morphe M514 blending brush. So like I said, we're going to keep this eye look super neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Whoa. And to cut it, I'm using my Real Techniques detailer brush. Alright, so now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go back into the Friendcation palette and take the shade Basic and apply that all over the concealer where I cut the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with Choodle and just blend the outer corner so it's not looking rough. Okay, and then I'm going to take my makeup wipe and clean up the edges. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do some wing liner. I'm going to do it off camera because it's going to take a little while. And I'm a little rusty on wing liner. So I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some liner as well as some lashes, and I didn't tell you guys what eyeliner I used, but the eyeliner that I use is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is my go-to. It is so good. It's matte. I don't like the shiny eyeliners. And these lashes, you guys. I went to Target today and I had to pick up some lashes from my mom because she likes like the natural lashes. So I got her some Ardell ones, and then I saw these. These were the Ardell double up lashes, and honestly, they are so nice. Like, I'm not hating them. They give like the perfect amount of fluff. It's not too dramatic, but it also isn't too natural, and I'm loving it. Okay, so now that we're pretty much done with the eyes, they're super neutral, natural, not too much, but it gives that perfect amount of you know. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I love the way this smells. It smells so good. just gonna take a clean beauty blender and pounce in the primer. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Natural Beige. And to apply that, I'm just going to be using a beauty blender. Look at it, it's brand new. Isn't it so pretty? It's super soft. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I am in the shade Light Beige. I always have to check just in case. I don't want to give you guys the wrong shade, you know? And I'm just going to put it under my eyes and go back in with my beauty blender. Okay, so now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder and going to use my beauty blender to set under my eyes. Now to set my entire face, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C18. I don't know what's happening right here, like nothing is sticking. Like I put hella foundation and concealer, nothing is going over it. So now to contour my face, I'm going to be using my Benefits Hoola bronzer. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe, I believe, R14. The number rubbed off, but I'm trying to remember. I think it's R14. Now for this look, you do want to look extra bronzed and extra chiseled. You'll see. Alright, so I went ahead and carved out my cheekbones using my translucent powder and my beauty blender. So now for some slight blush, I'm going to be taking my Sigma Cor-de-Rosa base powder. This is a blush. This is my blush. By the way, use code MariiiBajariii to get moolah off your Sigma order. If you guys know, Sigma is a real one. They have been my first PR package and it's so exciting. So get yourself this blush. It's super natural. It's not too harsh. Just the perfect amount of peachy nude blush. Bomb. Anyways, so I'm going to be using this blush, and I'm taking my Urban Studio Stippling 204 blending brush to apply the blush. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out this translucent powder. Almost to the fun part. Don't worry, we're getting there. So now for the highlight, I'm going to be using my Desi x Katy Chasing the Sun highlight. And to apply that, I'm using my Morphe M310 fan brush. I would highlight my nose, but that's gonna be covered, so don't highlight the nose. So before we move on to the rest of the fun part, I'm going to set my face using my MAC Fix Plus in the Golden Light shade. Not really shade, just the Golden Light Fix Plus. So now I'm going to start to draw the little nose part. So I'm taking my NYX gel liner and I'm using a Sigma Bent Liner B12 brush. And I'm just going to dip that in here and just pretty much carve the nose out. Yeah, so I kind of switched between my NYX gel liner and my liquid liner because it was kind of hard to perfect that perfect line. So yeah, we got the nose here. I feel like Goofy Sun. So now we're going to start drawing on the little white dots. So here I have my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to draw some white dots right here and also where like my bronzer is. jumbo eyeliner and apply it on the waterline to enlarge my eyes. Now I'm going to take my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and apply some of that on my lower lash line. I'm going to do the lips, and for my lip liner, I'm using my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade, what's the shade? True Grit. It's like a super chocolatey brown shade, so I'm only going to pat a little bit of that because I don't want it to be too dark. Okay, it was too dark. Okay, yeah, so I took off that Smashbox one because it was too dark. So I just put the Sweet Tea Lip Liner all over the lips, and then I used my IB Beauty Naked Liquid Lipstick to go right on top. And let me go ahead and put my antlers on. I'm so excited, it came out so cute. Okay, let me go put my antlers on. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I feel so like sweet and like, You guys, you don't understand, I got these off Amazon and they are so heavy. They're like real metal. So if you put your head down, it's like, floop. So I gotta be careful. And these are kind of dangerous. So I went ahead and added this little nude brown tank top and the antlers, and I'm just so happy on how it came out. So this one is a lot more nicer than my last tutorial, which was the devil look. So if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and head over to that video. Since you made it through this one, might as well just go back over there to my other video and watch that one. It's a lot more mean. This one's like cutesy. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look for the Easy Dear makeup. Honestly, it was super easy to do. Like, this is like the easiest one that I'm going to be doing, I think. Out of all of the Halloween looks, I think this is the easiest one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dancing,